Hello, Priscilla here from BlackCompass Software. In this demonstration, I'll be showing you how to create the ruler gauge using the BlackCompass visualizer. As you can see, I have a list here in SharePoint 2013. It is showing us the average electricity use in 2010 for various towns in New South Wales, Australia. We have the town name, the total kilowatts consumed, number of customers, and the kilowatts consumed per customer. I'm going to launch the visualizer and select ruler gauge. The ruler gauge is an ideal graph to use when you wish to show real-time data update, and also it is similar to the dial gauge. As with all visualizations, you're welcome to consider creating your own dedicated view in SharePoint. For this demonstration, I'll be leaving this as all items. And of course you can add your own titles to your graphs as well. The visual range, you've got an option here to stipulate the range, otherwise the range will be calculated dynamically from the data. I'm going to use the gauge to represent the average kilowatt used per customer. As you can see, there are other mathematical operators here. I'm also going to leave the color bands for now. I'll be adding them a little bit later. I'm going to change the auto refresh settings from 10 seconds to 2 seconds. Again, I'll be changing the data to reflect this. And here we have our ruler gauge. I'm just going to open up the configuration here, and I'm going to extend the visual range from almost 7,000 to 10,000. This will make it more inclusive. As you can see, the marker has now moved. I'm going to open up the configuration again and add some color bands. I'd like to show low, medium and high levels. So I'm going to choose from 0 to 4,000 and from 4,000 to 7,000 and lastly 7,000 to our maximum, which is 10,000. I'm just going to change the color bands. As you can see, the color bands have now been added. I'm going to go ahead and open up the list. So here we have our electricity list. I'm just going to close this. And I'd like to make a change to the ash field column. So I'm going to open up the list item and make a change to the kilowatt per customer column. So it's just over 5,000 now. I'm going to change this to 55,000 and save this setting and go back to my gauge. As you can see, the marker has now been moved. I'm just going to open up the list setting again. And I'm just going to revert the change. As with all visualizations, you're welcome to save and publish them and share them with your team. For more information about this product, please visit us at www.blackcompass.net.